Today we're going to create a beautiful wall hanging flower bouquet with ice cream spoon. First of all, we're going to make it spoon straight like that. And we are using glue to stick together. And now we are creating a handle that will give you a very nice look and it will help to hanging. There we go. We have to cut some spoons. We must cut further than middle. We will cut some spoons bigger and some smaller. First we're going to stick bigger spoons and after that we're going to stick smaller one. That will give very beautiful look. There we go. And now we're going to stick this part in the glue. And we got a flat piece of paper to make it flowers. We're going to cut in circles like that. And now we're going to roll this paper like this till end using some glue in bottom. Stick. Flower is done. There we go. And we are creating leaves. Cut like this and bend like that. This is done. Now we're going to stick all flowers and leaves like this. There we go. Using this piece of paper to cover bottom. And now we're going to ribbon to cover this all bottom. And thank you so much for watching. Follow us for more interesting videos.